Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Nan Montgomery. She's Warren County's SNAP Educator. Good morning, Nan.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Nan, I know that the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service is always looking for ways to be inclusive and to include people of all abilities. And today you are going to share with us some adaptive cookware.
Yes, I am so excited about this because cooking should be for everybody no matter what. So I want to show some tools that you can use in the kitchen to maybe make life a little bit easier. And so hopefully these are some things that maybe people in the community aren't aware of and that our office has and we use to teach cooking classes.
Now, Nan, each county in Kentucky has a cooperative extension office.
Yes.
And every county should have access to these tools. Is that correct?
Absolutely. So no matter what county you're from, we have these kits to be able to do cooking classes. So yeah, there's access in all 120 counties in Kentucky for this adaptive cookware kit.
Wonderful, Nan. All right. So what do you have for us today?
So I have some different utensils. So maybe if you have some hand impairment, these are going to be some different types of knives that you could use. This has a really nice gripper on it. It's got some silicone so it doesn't slide, and you can see it's different than other knives because you might hold it like this. This one you're going to be able to use your arm, and then this one you can rock. So maybe if you have some hand impairment, it might be easier for you to use rocker. So you would just rock your knife back and forth like this to cut. With this one, you would just take it and you can do like this, and then if maybe you're using a regular knife and you're worried about cutting your fingers, this would be a finger shield, and so you could place it right here and then you could use your knife to cut, and that way your fingers are completely protected. This is just a kind of like a universal chopper. There's different sizes that go in here, and so if you wanted to make like french fries, this will cut a potato or whatever, really kind of anything that you wanted to chop, you would just put whatever item in here and then you press down. It does take a little bit of strength, but that's okay. Yeah, a little bit of force. And then you're going to have these nice slices. And so it is chopped your apple for you. And then moving on, maybe you have trouble opening cans, or that's just something that's hard on you. Maybe you have some arthritis. This is just a button push can opener. You would just put it on your can and you would press the button and it will open it for you. Wow. It is magnetized. It is an excellent tool. Then some other tools that we have that are really great. This is going to be really great for if you have like jams and jellies or other types of jars with the lids like this. So it just moves and you can make it bigger or smaller. And so we are going to just attach it to our jar. And then voila.
So if maybe someone has trouble gripping, this allows them to grip the top and take it off.
Absolutely. We also have a hand peeler. This would go on your finger, and so you can peel an apple. And so it's very easy. You don't have to worry about getting cut. I love this tool. Measuring. So not only does this go by color, so maybe if you're teaching kids, or maybe you just more of a visual person, not only does it have measurements by color, but these are also what we call collapsible. So they're very easy to work with. They don't take up a lot of space in your kitchen. I know that I've been burned before, like trying to make soup or oatmeal from touching a bowl. This is something that you just slide a microwave-safe bowl in. You can dump your soup in here. You put it in the microwave. You would use your hands like this, and that way you don't have to worry about being burned. Or this can also, you can't put this necessarily in the oven, but if you were using something out of the oven, this could be another tool that you could use to get things out of the oven so that you don't burn yourself.
Nan, thank you so much for being with us today and showing us all of these adaptive cooking tools. If you are watching and are interested in participating in cooking classes of any kind through your local cooperative extension offices, these tools are available to you. Be sure to let your office know that you are interested in these. So thank you so much for being with us, Nan. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.